In this video, we're gonna prove that f of x, which is cosine of pi minus x, is even. In this case, we know that the domain for our function, let's call it df, is R. Therefore, for each x in R, minus x is also in R. Okay? And we want to prove the following, that f of minus f of x is just f of x. So this is how we prove that f is even. Okay? In our case here, we see that f of minus x is going to be the cosine of pi minus x, which is the cosine of pi plus x. Okay? And if we do expand this one here, we're gonna get the cosine of pi times cosine of x minus sine of pi times sine of x, and this is 0, so therefore we have cosine of pi cosine of x, and cosine of pi is -1. We have then cosine of minus x. Okay, but this is not what we wanna prove. Okay, we know something here, that the cosine of pi minus x is equal to the minus cosine of x. Okay, because we are shifting by pi. And this means what? This means that this is just f of x. Okay? And this proves that f of minus x is f of x. Here we had to use the properties of the cosine with the shifting by pi to prove that f of minus x is f of x, and therefore f is even. To convince yourself that our function here, this function here, is even, you have to graph it. Okay, so when you graph that, you should see that the function, let's say this is my function here, is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. Okay, and once we do that, we're gonna see that here. Okay, in fact, it's gonna be shifted here. Okay, and we're gonna see that our function will be something like this. Okay, and this proves that this function is even, and this is the algebra proof. Graphically, you can graph it, and you're gonna see that it's symmetric with respect to the y-axis. Therefore, for each x, this is x f of x, and this is minus x f of x. Okay, so therefore we have f of x is equal to f of minus x, which is this one here. Or let's use this one here. Let's use this one, our x, and this is our minus x, and we see that they have the same value. Okay, f of x is equal to f of minus x, which is this one here. Okay, anyways, this is the geometric and algebra explanation for this result. Okay, I have something else. Prove that f of x cosine of pi plus x is even as well. Thank you very much.